Hi friends, this is James. So, are you looking to make money online in 2022? I got great news for you. Neil Napier is launching RoyalStock on 10th February 2022 at 11 a.m. Eastern. Now, RoyalStock will help you boost your business or even your agency's business. I got a quick demo and a walkthrough coming up. But before that, check out the link below and discover the bonuses that I've prepared that are coming your way when you pick up RoyalStock through my link. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications. Now let's check out RoyalStock.
Hi, Neil Napier here, and in this video I will show you how to profit with RoyalStock. RoyalStock is our new stock app with a very clever twist. We've built an extensive stock asset platform where you can also build a profitable business. You can of course use our stock content, the images, the videos and so on in your business for your clients. And here's the clever twist, you can also build your own micro niche Shutterstock-like store full of stock media collections and legally sell access to those collections. Here's how it works. There are three basic steps: find, add, and sell. Step 1, find. Simply decide what you want to sell. What's your niche? It can be something you have a passion about or just something you know is going to be profitable. There are tons of niches that are very hot right now. A simple Google search can get you started. Once you've narrowed down your niche, you can move on to step 2, which is add. Now we take our assets we've selected and we create unique collections with our images, video stickers, and a lot more in just a few clicks. We have over 10 million stock media assets for every possible niche you could think of. You'll be getting access to high definition images, ultra high definition 4K videos, high definition illustrations, GIFs, motion backgrounds, premium icons, a favorite system, and of course storage for your own content to truly make your collections custom to you and your niche. Give them names that make sense to your niche. And finally, step number 3, sell. See, over the course of the past few months, my team has been building a powerful stock image e-commerce platform that is included with RoyalStock, so you can begin profiting right away. Your stores will look great with our done-for-you templates and layouts included. You're in charge of your store's look and feel. Our RoyalStock platform is specifically built for RoyalStock users to sell niche-based collections to busy customers who want the best images, GIFs, videos, and other assets to use in their blogs, Shopify stores, sales pages, and advertisements. We have secured permission for you to add items from our stock asset collection to your store and sell as targeted collections. Your store will be full of the content that your target audience will want and will be happy to pay for. Selected by you from our massive collection so your customers can get exactly what they want, exactly when they want it, without having to look all over the internet and hope or guess if the images they find can be used legally in their business. So you see, we provide you with your own personal Shutterstock-like site for your targeted collections. You set up your Stripe or PayPal or other payment gateway and sell it for any price that you want. And you keep 100% of the profits for yourself. There's no monthly fee and you never need to send us any more money. Of course, we have a detailed training inside to take you step by step through this process so you can be up and profiting in just minutes. That's what RoyalStock can do for you today.
All right, people. So Neil and his team are running a webinar 1 hour before the cart opens, therefore at 10 a.m. on the 10th of February. Jump in on this webinar and see if you can win a free copy of RoyalStock. And there are other goodies as well that he's giving away. So this is a one-time webinar. There's no replay. So you need to be on this webinar to ask any questions you have to gain more clarity on what RoyalStock will do for you and your business. So that's what he's going to be revealing, how to use RoyalStock to build your business. Now, you will land on this registration page when you click on the link below this video anytime before 11 a.m. on the 10th of February. Now, after that, obviously, you're going to be landing on the sales page and this webinar will be closed and over. So all you need to do is enter your name, your email address, and put in the comment below how you think the RoyalStock is going to be a game changer for you. So let me unpack this sales page of RoyalStock and see what are the great stuff about RoyalStock and what are the areas that it does not live up to the promises that is made here on the sales page. So first thing is that I want you to take note of this coupon that you can use in capitals Royal to get $20 off. And what RoyalStock is all about is picking your own stock videos, images, stickers, and illustrations. Those are the 4 that were revealed in the demo earlier. So pick those and sell them as collections on your own website, or rather on your own Royal Store website, and keep all the money. You don't need to share anything with Neil and his team. So this is like your own Shutterstock site. It is a built-in done-for-you store. Therefore, instantly after picking it up, you hit the ground running and start generating income. So you use and resell the stock collections as your own immediately to anyone who needs stocks, or rather royalty-free stocks. So with RoyalStock, you get access to the largest library. Now, I can't verify if it is really the largest, so you may have to take this with a grain of salt, but it is millions. So there's no way for us to measure. And you don't need to pay a monthly fee, provided you pick it up during the launch phase. It's a one-time fee, and it's a shockingly low price. And there are tons of niches that you can create your collections around. And you can deep search, or your clients or your visitors can deep search. Therefore, they can find the perfect stock that they require. And so can you. With the deep search, you can create collections around niches. So this is beginner friendly. So if you are just getting into the internet marketing world and trying to earn income, this is a great way for you to pick it up at this low price and start earning income immediately. Now, it says here that you can expect express traffic surge, explosive leads, and a profit boost. But as I go through the sales page, I don't understand how this is done, because just having a store does not bring in a flood of traffic. So this is an area that I'm not too happy, because it's not pointed out how exactly you get this done. Now, I would like to comment about this exclusive support and training from Neil and his team. Now, I have used Neil's products, and I can tell you, I can vouch that I have even encountered during weekends that his support staff do reach out when you have issues. Not always, but they do reach out even during weekends. So his support staff or his support is top notch. And you get a commercial license when you pick up RoyalStock during this launch phase. So once again, as you saw from the demo, this is a simple 3-step process for you to make money online in 2022 and beyond. Just find what you want to sell by entering a keyword, and the system will deliver or suggest the best choices, and you just add them to your own collections and resell. That's about it. And it prevents theft because copyright, and it is watermarked as well. So rest assured that these are all stocks which are safe to sell. You are not infringing anybody's copyrights. You become the copyright owner when you pick up RoyalStock. Now, what I like also about RoyalStock is that you can use their assets that they are suggesting or providing, and you can also add your own original assets, provided there are no copyright infringements to the assets that you are adding on to these collections. Now, if you are thinking about using stocks for your own projects, for your own business, then this is a great way to save money, because you will not be spending tons of money. As you can see from some of the stock sites out there, videos and images and illustrations can cost quite a bit. So there are 3 bonuses that Neil is offering when you pick up RoyalStock during this launch period. Number one is how to make 6 figures with RoyalStock. Number two is Instagram zero to hero. And number three is traffic autobahn. Now, it comes with a 14-day money-back guarantee. And this is a satisfaction-based guarantee. So take it for a spin, and within that 14 days, decide if this is for you. So here is the price reveal. It comes in two versions. You get the personal or the commercial license. And with the personal is $27 one time and $39 one time for the commercial. Now, the major difference is that you get 10,000 credits per month with the commercial, but only 1,000 with the personal. And on top of that, you also get a Royal Store with the commercial, but you don't get that with the personal. And the storage is 5 gigs with the commercial and only 2 gigs with the personal. And you also get a ready-to-sell collection already done for you with the commercial license. And you can favorite up to 100 assets with the commercial, but only half with the personal. And of course, you get the commercial license thrown in as well. And you also miss out on the bonuses with the personal license. So for just $12 more, you might as well jump in and grab the commercial license and use the code ROYAL for $20 off. So take note about the credits. The credits do not renew. So if you run out of credits, you must delete an asset to free up a credit to use or upgrade to limited. And I shall be showing you what that OTO includes. Now, this may be of interest to you if you are a legalistic person. It is totally legal, and Neil has assured us that lawyers have been involved in putting everything together with RoyalStock. Now, Neil has been around for a long time in the internet marketing space, so he's not going to be foolish enough to get into legal complications. So let's focus on the OTOs. Now, the unlimited version is OTO 1, where you pay either $67 annually or $97 one time. And I've got no clue why you want to pay an annual fee of $67 when you can grab it for just one time $97. So with that, you get all of these unlimited stuff that you can read here. And I will leave it to you to let the video play and read through this and stop or pause the video if you want to read more. And OTO 2 is the done-for-you Royal Stores, which is $67 one time. And with that, you get 12 additional Royal Stores, and you can have up to 3 collections. Now, OTO 3 is the Royal Composer, going for $69 one time. And this is all that you get with this version. And OTO 4 is RoyalStock Business, and there are 2 versions, either Duke or Emperor, and the price is $197 one time or $497 one time. And with this version, these are all the stuff that you get. You get including done-for-you lead magnets as well to build up your email list. So take note of the early bird and the pricing plan. The early bird starts at 11 a.m. once the webinar ends on the 10th of February Eastern, and it ends at 5 p.m. on the same day. So you get 6 hours of the early bird discount. So the price during the early bird will be $37 on the front end. And at 5 p.m. onwards, the price will rise to $2. And after 5 p.m., the price will rise, and you still can use the code ROYAL to get a $2 discount. And that will bring the price back to the early bird pricing of $37. So get in early, guys, and even if you miss it, you still got a few more hours for a second chance to grab it at $37. So I hope that quick walkthrough of RoyalStock has shown you how you can use RoyalStock for your own business or for your clients' businesses as well. And I look forward to seeing your success stories with RoyalStock. Remember, once again, check out the link below and discover the bonuses that you shall receive when you pick up RoyalStock through my link.